Hello, welcome to the tutorial for configuring the Shopify Odoo connector app. The first step we're going to do is to verify that our app is installed. So if it's not installed, please go to apps, search for Shopify, then you will find the Shopify connector. Make sure to activate it if you don't have it activated. So once it's done, you will have enabled a new menu called Shopify. If you have Odoo Enterprise, you will also have it because this app works for both versions. Once you have installed the Shopify app, the Shopify connector app, we will create a new store. Here we click new and we name our store same as we have it in Shopify. In my case, it's going to be Visiony. So whatever your store name is, you type it here, okay? So the next step is to write the shop domain. Here you log in into Shopify and make sure to copy uh, this title, this label that is going to represent your store name. It comes after store. In my case, it's Visiony 3. So you copy that here and you call it myshopify.com. Next step is to configure the developer credentials that are important. So in order to do that, please go and browse here at the top right corner. You will have an icon here called View Dev Dashboard. We click right there. That will lead us to the developer panel. So once here we click on Create App. And here we name our app, that in this case is going to be called Odoo Connector. Wait till it's created. So these fields we leave it by default the way they are. The important field is here, the scopes. So for that we are going to copy the scopes that we have here, okay, the scopes that the app offers us, and we copy them here. Now we will fill the redirect URL. Same, we will copy the one the app gives us and paste it here. Make sure there are no spaces or space jumps like this. So make sure you don't have that. Copy exactly the same it is. Once you have done that, you click on release and release. Once you have done that, go to settings and it will show you the credentials. You just copy the client ID, you paste it here, and the secret password, you paste it here also. Once you have done that, you save the changes and click on Connect with Shopify. This will lead you to this screen inside Shopify. So here, the only thing you will have to do is to click on Install. Once you have done that, it will redirect you back to Odoo, and you have to verify inside the store that you have this. Your store is actually connected. Usually, it will be shown with this check. Okay. Now that you have your store connected, you will proceed to import your products. In my case, I have a few test products. If we lead to our store, we head to our store, you will see that I have a couple products here by default configured. So I will import those products. Also, I will import my customers, and finally my orders. Right now I won't import refunds because I don't have any, but if you had, you would please import first the orders, and when you have them, then you click on import refunds. What will happen once you click these import buttons, this will create a queue that will be put on hold till it's done. So you will have a queue for products, customers, orders, and refunds. Once it's finished, once they are finished, it will appear with the status done. Okay. So this usually take a couple seconds. You don't have to wait much. So in my case, I will just wait a little bit, and then refresh. Okay, so we keep waiting a little bit. So okay, there we go. So product is done, also customers, and orders is running. So we usually a couple seconds more it should take, and it's done. You can also manually um, trigger the importation so you don't have to wait. So once actually I have one refund that I'm going to import now. Okay, so a refund queue is going to be created, but I'm going to force it to be processed, and it's done now. So once that's done, you will check on your inventory, and you will have all of the products you have in Shopify already synchronized. Also in the sales, you will have the sales synchronized, including the refund. And the nice part of this is that you will be able to synchronize, to do a bidirectional synchronization. So if you change the cost of your product, the sale price, or if you modify the, the stock inside of whatever location you have, it's going to be sent to Shopify. Of course, it's very important that if you do this, you wait a little bit, because these changes take a couple seconds, could take a couple minutes at max if you have a slow connection. And that's it. You are ready to go with your connection with Shopify and your store synchronized.